Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Game V1, 4 or newer, and the character that can trigger auto open. Once done, open settings and enable controller input. This matters because auto open reads analog signals. Next, go to controls and bind the auto open action to a comfortable input, preferably a shoulder button or a specific key. Do this now. Quick binding prevents mistiming later. Make sure vibration is off to reduce false triggers, and save your configuration before moving on. Now you focus on execution. Move to the toilet spawn. Spacing is key. Stay just outside interaction range so auto-open triggers when opponents enter. While approaching, build your charge or resource to at least 75%. This ensures the auto-open has full effect. Once opponents are distracted, use bait or a teammate, press the bound input and hold for the required duration. This combination of spacing, charge, and distraction makes the auto-open reliable. Practice the sequence to internalize timing and rhythm. Finish by confirming the auto-open animation and that you receive the expected reward or status change. If it does not work, check 3 common issues: incorrect bindings, input lag from overlays, and controller dead zones that prevent full activation. Once identified, adjust dead zone or rebind to a different input, then retest. Use training mode to reproduce the scenario repeatedly. This isolates variables and speeds learning. With consistent practice and these fixes, auto-open becomes a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.